Hi everyone. This video here alhang PR tulai simlai chapong hoti gel phone na hong keyboard hi in. Het man le thit man hong keyboard jong ai phone hin la tulai alhang PR chi class 10 simlai chapong ho in. Hi trigonometric tabulation a degree ai lo le ratio a hong keyboard hi koi ma tam join abai ha jo po. Hi ja cho EPT ke ma in ke ma he khama cho abeilam panga EPT beilam cha ki sim tu thei ham lo le not bolen kitina hi pon exam sunga hi exam ki pat ma sanga EPT table jo eman ema het na kona chiki ji do a bahat ka khal ngai lawa pelam ta se thejam ti chu ka hin share hi in ba koi to bang hi chi sanga a hena sai anu minten he hong chun a hoi chi na din comment anui lang hen hin pi vin lang matal bena din hi like comment ai role share ni bol pi vin lang chule subscribe ni bol pi vin lang hello te in he na neu tin he te in zo he bena neu ti chu ken sinum mai in aban chu ipitem ti chu ve pe ta hote
0 degree 30 degree 4 to 5 degree 60 degree 90 degree 0 apa na 3 4 banle 4 bona fall in divide boarding dividing root over quantitating ahele 0 by 4 to divide ibola hele 0 hizing 1 by root 4 to root 3 by root over 3 by 4 to root 3 by 2 chule root over 4 by 4 to 1 ahizing chi pt root khabai chi ne khagawla root 2 root over 2 by 4 to pt value to 1 by root 2 tham tile 2 by root 2 by 4 root over 2 root 2 so root 2 ahizing ta in abana root 4 to hele square root of 4 to 2 ahi in chi rationalize ibola hele pt bottom 1 by root 2 into root 2 tila sunga chi pa hi chi lai hong de hin root 2 by root 2 chi root 2 into root 2 chu chi root 4 hi in root chu ki shelo hele square root of 4 to 2 ahi in ja chu answer la chu ja hong tham chi ten he ki kana hele chun 1 by root 2 lai 1 by root 2 chulai chi bang chu chila root 3 value chu root 0.00 point chi de hita na ya chu root 3 ki koiden le to chu pt bol ma ratio so chu sin theta tin ga lo len ko theta ele to sin 0 degree a chu isa theta chulai 0 value kim pen chi 0 ele sin 30 a chu sin 1 by 2 sin 45 has to 1 by root 2 so let sin 60 degree jari tam root 3 by 2 masa pi na sin ai sip to pula bana chu beilam ta he the ele sin 90 degree jari tam 1 ele cos a chu pt hold ram cos 0 degree pa chu cos to 9 hum clear tunde atu ta sai chun 1 ji root 3 by 2 ban hi chi 1 by root 2 bande ichi pa chu 1 by to hong deng ban chi pa chu chena pa chu lai 0 hong le ela 10 chi pt ho ro a ratio dungja formula dungja chi bena hel 10 theta equal to sin theta by cos theta ela sin theta chu ja ki pyam lai 0 cos theta chu 1 a hi in ela 0 by 1 ke ti chu 0 a hi jing 0 by 1 to 0 a hi ji chu hela 0 by 4 to 0 chu pin number divide kong ki board thelo hin eta so 0 aile ichi 10 for 30 degree pt hodram telo 1 by 2 divide by root 3 by 2 divide board root 3 divide pt board ham beilam ta multiplication form of here do the 1 by 2 into tel hi chi multiplication form of hela hela chun achung anu achung kile tundi 2 by root 3 and here 2 10 equal 1 by root 3 heading here 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 divide equal hala 1 a hejing ala root 3 by 2 10 root 3 by 2 divide by 1 by 2 heading cross multiplication form as equal hala root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1 ini kana hala sila value jana root 3 bo ele 1 by 0 kiti chu 1 by 0 kiti chu a value umlo a hi in 0 in 1 to divide thelo hi ja chu 1 by 0 chu infinite piti thang hitang ji thele cosec chi piti hol ram cosec chu sin theta cosec theta equal to 1 ele hichi sin theta chu right hand side la chi phal anui langa denominator la hung a hi lo le reciprocal chi sin to cosec hi reciprocal kiti chu achung anui kile hertina hin ele sin a hen 0 pa chu cosec ngai pi hung ditam 0 by 1 to 1 by 0 1 by 0 kiti chu hela banga chu 1 by 0 kiti infinite tina hi ele hela sin 30 degree chu reciprocal la kiti chu achung anu i hela hel jon cosec 30 hong hi phala chun 1 by 2 chu 2 bo 2 by 1 to 2 a hi jing ele 1 by root 2 chu root 2 bo hi ta root 3 by 2 chu 2 by root 3 chile 1 by 1 1 2 anu hai 1 umjing a reciprocal kila 1 by 1 so to hi ma to ele se hi pt hol them belam ta chi cosec cosine to hi sec ki kile to han sec theta hai eti ta chen cos a 1 reciprocal to 1 a jing in ele root 3 by 2 reciprocal to 2 by root 3 ele 1 by root 2 to root 2 a jing in ele 1 by 2 to 2 is a in ele 0 by 1 to ile to na hele 1 by 1 by 0 again 1 by 0 to infinite a value umlo a hilo le infinity value cha kimulo tin han hichi amani hi cosine to sec theta he mani reciprocal hin la belam thana zo ai mani he thedinga hele hichi cosec to sec on clear tun ken he zo cos le sin manga suna ta che 1 in la hong le 2 by root 3 aban 2 hichi 2 la hong le islam hichi la ya hichi langa honga hichi galang ka cha hichi chiwa honga chichi la hong banga chu hichi cosec to sec on clear tun a hin lang khan he the hang le cos to sec on hin clear tun ken hin ela ko na chi piti hol ram hichi ko hin 10 to clear tun ken hin reciprocal ki so achung anui le heading 0 by 1 to epiti ki se tham ile tun han sun 1 by 0 ki chu infinite value exact ki muzo talo infinite tina hai 1 by root 3 pt ne le tun dam reciprocal ne la hela chun achung anui chung ele root 3 bu ki data chule put 45 degrees to pt ne hold odam 1045 akona chuna le tun 1 mama ekile tun 1 mama ele root 3 ku ne le tun le reciprocal ki chu le tun achung anui chung 1 by root 3 ele hichi 10 ku infinity sign infinity by 1 in 1 by infinity ya reciprocal la le infinity by 1 a hi in anu ai 1 ometa kila ele hichi reciprocal la chen 1 by infinity tin 1 by infinity ki ti chu pi ham 0 la ha value 0 ki tin 0 hichan hi hi in hichi exam phale note mong jong chu hi po en la question paper ke mai tapam question hong jaw kha hele beilam ta so aninga question ning ham khana cho em hi table hi sign hi holo phatle aban bana cho he te ta chom lama kain se hi in ka se hi long umai jong le ni he thim mei de hi